Hello everybody, this is Lucas here at MarineMax, Lake the Ozarks. The boat I'm showing you today is the Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. This is the 2025 model year. It's a 13-foot option, of course, paired with the Mercury 40 horsepower engine. Trailer underneath it, of course, will come with it. Nice white hull. This is going to have the red graphics. Nice look at the helm here. Very simple, very easy to use. Does have the Bimini 40 horsepower engine as mentioned, ladder to get off and on. From the back here you will see the battery in the gas tank. There are many accessories you can add to this line as well to make your drive a lot more comfortable. Seats, cushions, all the above. You can get with me on that. Again, this is the Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. My name is Lucas and this is at MarineMax Lake the Ozarks. Give us a call.